Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will be focusing on how you can make $1,000 a day from partaking in basic things that would result in you making passive income. If you're stopping by my channel for the first time, please subscribe to my channel, and while you're at it, smash that like button for me. I really would appreciate it. Have you ever thought to yourself, how can I stay at home, or better still, be in the comfort of my bed and not have to talk to anyone while making a ton of money doing so? Stick around with me as I provide a list of passive income strategies that help you achieve that dream. Also, I'll be rating each of those strategies from 1 to 5. That is 1 being the least passive strategy and 5 being the best or the easiest passive strategy. Alright guys, let's dive right into the video. Number 1 on the list is Dividend Stock Investing. You can truly go passive in this by investing in ETFs, which are a type of index funds that track a basket of other stocks. You see, these stocks are pulled into one investment like a mutual fund, and the best part is you have ETFs that track the S&P 500, the consumer sector, the technology sector, the agricultural sector, and so on. So let's say you don't want to research any individual stock or company stock and go through the headache of deciding what stock to buy. All you simply have to do is go into this website called ETF.com, and you can simply find ETF stocks of your choice. You can filter by category, by sectors, by countries, and a bunch of other categories as well, just to get to your final choice of stocks. You can purchase ETFs like VCR, VFV, VOO, VTI, which are Vanguard ETFs, as well as QQQ. The good thing about all this is you can actually buy a fraction of those ETFs or stocks and get paid dividends on a monthly basis, semi-annual, or on an annual basis. Come on man, stop that. You can actually buy ETFs and stocks on a fractional basis. Yeah. I'll tell you more. Alright guys, you can watch my video where I explain how to find stocks that pay dividends on a consistent basis. On that note guys, I'm actually going to rate this stream of passive income as 1.5 out of 5, simply because you still have to invest your hard-earned money to make more money. But the rewards are actually huge, especially when you invest for years and not just in a couple of months. Investing in the stock market doesn't work that way. Number 2, selling on Etsy. You see guys, the e-commerce industry is expected to hit over $5 trillion on sale, and you, my friend, can carve out a small slice of that cake for yourself. Hey bro, I want to ask a question, but I don't want you to be offended. Can I get that cake in the free? Look man, I meant a portion of the e-commerce industry, man. Yeah man, you sure about that? Hey wait, stop distracting me man. I didn't literally mean cake. Move away. So, if you're the kind of person who loves being creative, you can actually create website templates, or you can sell popular items on Etsy. For example, in the case of selling website template, you can sell Squarespace templates, and from my research, the most sought after templates are blogger templates, wedding templates, photography templates, or lifestyle templates. You can very well target the female audience and sell these types of templates to them at a reasonable price. All you simply have to do is go onto Etsy and search for Squarespace template, and you can also filter based on the price range. I'd usually prefer about $100 to $250. That's like the sweet spot. Once you've done that, you can take your time and find the best templates. Bonus points: female team templates sell the most. In this case, I'll give this a 2 out of 5 for the effort it would literally take you to do your research and start selling on Etsy. Number 3, having a YouTube channel. If you desire to achieve financial freedom, then this next passive stream of income can empower you to leave your miserable or unsatisfactory job to achieve a life of financial freedom. You can easily spend a month in Qatar and watch the 2022 World Cup at the Ritz-Carlton. So if you love exercising, or if you're a yoga advocate, or you love singing, you can easily use your phone and make a video on the topic of your choice and edit that raw video by using editing tools such as Filmora, Movavi, Adobe Premiere Pro, and so on. Mind you, it takes time to truly earn passive income just posting YouTube videos alone. You see, according to research, I discovered you would have to upload close to 160 videos, and you must actually have 1,000 subscribers and have amassed 4,000 watch time hours before you can qualify for the YouTube Partner Pro. Obviously, not everyone would have that time to post a video every day due to the fact that you might have family obligations or might be busy with your 9 to 5 job. But there are some YouTubers who actually reach that 1,000 subscribers much quicker than others. These people take on the challenge to make quality content and post videos every day. Yeah, man, hold up. We want to make ads, man, and talk about it on YouTube. Come on, man. Huh? What do you think? Yeah, I understand. Yeah, you just have to keep doing it and plugging away, and you never know, you could actually start making money on YouTube. It's up to you. Alright, back to the video. So guys, if you happen to make a video on a particular given day that it actually goes viral, then you stand a chance to surpass that threshold and start earning passive income. Why did I say having a YouTube channel is one of the best ways of achieving financial freedom? You see, as long as you still have your video posted on YouTube, you'll still get paid even after 10 years. That's true passive income, guys. Alright guys, here's some YouTubers like Mr. Beast and Jake Paul who've earned millions of dollars a year. That's not to take away other small YouTubers as well who actually earn up to about $20,000 or actually more every month. Alright guys, I'll rate this passive income stream as 3 out of 5 since it takes time to write the script, make the video, as well as edit and upload those videos every day or once a week or whatever number of times you decide to upload. Number 4, print on demand. Guys, online platforms such as Printify allow you to automate your e-commerce store. Anyone, anywhere can sell customized merchandise without the hassle and risk. You simply have to go on printify.com, which is free to set up by the way, and you get to design things such as mug, shirt, bags, and any other merchandise of your choice and upload them on Etsy. Now, when a customer buys one of your products on Etsy, Etsy would immediately notify Printify and those products get designed on the spot and then it gets shipped to the customer. Notice that in this entire process, you don't actually have to touch the physical product nor store any of those products at a warehouse, nor have to do with any inventory. Everything is handled by Etsy and Printify. So guys, all you have to do is wait and just get paid. I can't think of any other better way of you making that kind of passive income. Wow, man, you want to start making hair like this and sell on Etsy? I can make money from it, yeah? Well, yeah, if you say you're good at that, then just keep doing it. Yeah, you can make as much fake hair as you want and sell it on Etsy. On a serious note, guys, you can actually expect to make about $2,000 to $6,000 a month. There are those who make such money in a day. Alright guys, I'll give this a 3 out of 5 just because it's so easy to set up. And the final one, number 5, selling ebooks. This can be really passive and earn you over $1,000 a day. You see, writing an ebook can be very rewarding and you don't have to spend weeks writing, designing, and publishing one. Obviously, the more ebooks you write and upload, as well as the higher your ebooks rank positively within a particular category, will enable you make a ton of money when people go onto websites such as Amazon to buy your ebook. Ebooks like self-help book, finance books, educational books, and even books on intermittent fasting can rake in lots of passive income for you. You can use this website called designer.io and upload just a few pages of any content of your choice and magically have that ebook created for you. I'm kidding. These kind of platforms are there to help you create ebooks in minutes, and you simply just have to edit your ebook to your choice. You see, designer.io does have lots of templates to choose from, and it tells you step by step on how to create an ebook. For those of you like myself who make educational content or any content whatsoever of your choice, you can even have your YouTube videos converted into ebook and sell them on Amazon. In that case, I'll rate this kind of passive income a 4 out of 5, given that it's so easy to set up. Alright guys, I'll leave you with a quote from Andre Marouk, who said, often the difference between a successful person and a failure is not one who has better abilities or ideas, but the courage that one has to bet on one's idea, as well as to take calculated risk and act on it. Guys, I'd love to hear your opinions and thoughts on this topic. What did you find most interesting about this video? Also, let me know if you want me to make a video on how you can make passive income, such as website testing, crypto staking, and even making money just uploading pictures or videos of yourself. Be sure to click the like button if you love this kind of content. Until next time guys, always stay money smart. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.